Nagtitingin lang po kami. Hindi pa kami bumibili. I stand corrected. I said konti lang ang tao. Madami pala sa loob. This is the... Ano nga ba ikaw? Institute Italiano di Cultura. Ah, hindi embassy. Museum. Museum, no? Pero sabi doon consular eh. This. Ang ganda, di ba? Nasa Madrid na talaga ako. Yes.
Fasten your seatbelt adjustment to your seat upright position. Secure the table in front of you. Open the shade. Store personal and luggage at the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. Please make sure that mobile phone or any other electronic devices are switched off or set on flight mode. As long as no mobile or electronic device sign are switched on, as they cause interference with the aircraft navigation system. Thank you.
Touchdown Madrid! May kasama na siya. Si Dora, si B1. Cleared with the immigration. Now picking up our luggage. CR muna. Sige, CR muna. Napo muna ako ng pera. Mahirap na walang pera dito. So this is the Palace of Comunicaciones. Palacio de Cibeles. Built in 1907. And in front is Bank of Spain, where the money heist was shot. Paano kaya nila yan ni-rob? Look at my first meal in Madrid, Liam. This is my first meal in Madrid. Rice meal. In Gran Via. Tapos na po kaming nakakain ng KFC. Ngayon naglalakad na papunta sa hostel. So, lakad lang with the bagahe here. Makakarating din kami. Nagpahinga po kami. Sunog na ang balat. Pulang-pula. Paakyat yung pupuntahan namin. My goodness. Paubos na yung kinain namin KFC. Paano na lang? Hola! Welcome to Madrid! Refresh na kami. Ready to gala na. Naghagok ng ilang minuto. Ngayon, gala time. So we are going to go there. At saka yung nasa likod na palasyo. Maganda ang aming place.
Si Power. Ano?
Ayusin ang paggagala ha. Mga lakwatserang palaka. O mga vlogger pa. Bahala may tuk-tuk dito sa likod. Bahala kayo dyan. Picturean mo nga ako dito siya. This. Ang ganda, di ba? Nasa Madrid na talaga ako. Ang ganda po. Papasok na po ako dito. This is the cathedral. So, the Cathedral of Saint Mary of the Royal, ano ba yun? Royal Palace of Madrid, Royal Madrid, was built starting 1883 and was finished a century after. Ganon katagal mag-build ng cathedrals dito. Si Sagrada Familia, 200 years, di ba?
Hola!
Hi! 200 years before it's finished. And finally, it's done. Wala nang crane. Kulit ng bata. Wala na ng mukhang malaki. We are in the Royal Palace of Madrid. Sino nakatira dito? Maadre. Mamaya magre-research muna ako. So this is the Royal Palace of Madrid. Oh, puro under construction naman. Naalala ko ang Malacanang Palace sa Baguio. Ito si Cathedral de Santa Maria. Ito si Royal Palace of Madrid. So this is the Royal Palace of Madrid. This is the symbol of lavish life of Spain. This is where they hold different official, what do you call it, gatherings, and you will be able to see how the royal people of the ancient time was. So if we have time, we are going to get inside, but for now let's just be here outside. Si Bumblebee ay nainitan, kaya sumilong muna siya dyan. Hello, Bumblebee! Hi! Hola! Hindi nakikinig. At po ngayon, anong oras na? It's 6:46, but The sun is still high. My goodness. So, magtingin naman tayo dito sa overlooking the city. The sunset here is nice also. Pero mamaya pa ang sunset, mga anong oras pa? Mga gabi pa siguro, masyado mga 10, 9 or 10. So, let's find out what we can see here. Wow. This is Madrid, guys. Madrid. And this is the forest. And that's another place. But basically, this is how Madrid looks like up close. So, oo nga. This is the cathedral. This is the Royal Palace. And that is where we stay. This is the... Ano nga ba ikaw? Institute Italiano di Cultura. Ah, hindi embassy. Museum. Museum, no? Pero sabi doon consular eh. Ayan, no? Pero ito. This is Plaza di Madella. Ah! Mali. Plaza de la Villa. Plaza de la Villa. So finally, we are in Mercado de San Miguel, where you can see tapas. Ano nga ba? Paella. At hamon. Buti konti lang people. Usually dami tao dito eh. So this is what you can see inside San Miguel, Mercado de San Miguel. Ay, kain tayo empanada. Siyempre, ang empanada. Magkano siya? 470 euro. Ang lalaki. Chorizo stromboli. Yan, mabubusog tayo niyan. 650 euro. Carne mechada. Bacalao. Ay, masarap ang bacalao. Sabi nila. Barbacoa. May barbacoa. Ano naman to? Sandwiches. Ah. Sushi ba? Hindi ko kilala. Basahin nyo na lang. Nagtitingin lang po kami. Hindi pa kami bumibili. I stand corrected. I said konti lang ang tao. Madami pala sa loob. Say cheese! Jamones. Salami. Ano kaya ang gusto ni Liam dito? Mommy, bring me some. Liam, if you're going to see this video, tell me what you want, okay? But I don't know if I can bring it. tapas po. 2 euros. Yan o. Let's try the tapas, guys. So choose which one? Salmon. 1 salmon. And bacalao. Bacalao. Ah, marami pa pala dito. Here, guys. Let's try the tapas. This is salmon. Smoked salmon with custard. Yummy. Wanna try? Itong isa. Itong isa. This one is catfish. Catfish. Masarap. With honey. This one is anchovies. Smoky. Salty. Maalat. Good. Sushi po. Crab. Then we're gonna try the empanada later. Sarap. Dahil kay Marvin Samako, kumain ako ng salmonite. Naka 6 euro na kasi 2 euros each. Ang liit, di ba? Hindi. Bacalao. Briobe, nuestras recetas tradicionales de bacalao. In English, try our traditional codfish recipes. Ito yun. I ate the 3 tapas already. Now I'm ready for the empanada and the chorizo. This barbacoa in Spanish means barbecue. Pinakulada. Mas malayo. Video naman yan. Kasi compute, guys. Bago tayo lumabas dito sa Mercado de San Miguel, let's compute. I had 3 tapas for 6 euros. Then 2 empanada for 9 euros. Then 7.50 for this piña colada. Total is 6 plus 9. 15 plus 7. 22 half. 22.50 for 1 meal. 22.50 for 1 meal. For 1 meal. Not good. Huwag gayahin. Gustong itry lahat. Huwag gayahin, ha? Guys, I'm trying to justify my 20 euros meal. So 20 divided by 3. What's 20 divided by 3? 4 euro or 4 dinar. So, will I be going back here to Mercado de San Miguel? No. It's just overly hyped. I'm sorry.
Na-overhype siya, na-overspent siya.
Hindi naman. Talagang yun naman nasa isip ko na kakainin ko. Hindi naman mahal yun sa KD. Next destination, Plaza Mayor. There it is. Plaza Mayor de España. Sabi ni Google, these are residential buildings. So Plaza Mayor is a square place where there are 237 balconies surrounding this square, built since 1700. No, 17th century. And at the middle is King Philip III. A bronze statue of King Philip III. Gagaya na ako sa iyo, Marvin Samako, ha? Magbibigay na ng trivia. It's nice. Pura, why are you here in Spain? Busog na po kami. We want to try Chocolateria San Ginés, you know, for the churros. But we will have it tomorrow morning. Okay? This is the Museo del Jamon. Tingnan natin kung anong laman dito. Siyempre, hamon. That's the menu. Oh. All types of hamon. $25. $20. Lalaki. Empanada ulit. Lalaki ng hamon. Plaza del Sol. Residencia Comunidad de Madrid. Look at this crowd. All tourists.